Hi, my name is Shelby and I'm a librarian at the Boonslick Regional Library in Warsaw. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make bug hotels out of stuff you probably have lying around the house and with what you can find outside. Let's go over some of the supplies that you're going to need to make your bug hotels. An empty milk jug or a 2-liter bottle will work perfect. If you don't have these two things, you can use a tin can, a soda can, even a smaller plastic soda bottle will work great, or even a coffee can. Just something that you can put your items in for your bug hotels. So the items that you're gonna need to get, if you wanna go outside, you can find some sticks to go in there. I've got a pine cone, those will work great. I've got some rocks, some larger rocks with moss will work perfect. And then I've also got some bigger sticks that have some tree bark that's been fallen off, or you can even pick tree bark right off the tree to put in your bug hotels. Anything that you think bugs will enjoy once they get inside your hotel. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is to use some scissors, or maybe ask a parent for some help if you need to use a knife to make a hole into your bug hotel so that you can start putting your items in there. So for the milk jug, I just made a big hole right there in the middle, and then I can start layering my items into the bottom here. Now, if you're going to use a soda bottle, what you're going to need to do is cut this up. You're going to need to cut the bottom off, and you're going to need to cut the top off. Once you have your bottle cut up and your hole in your jug ready, now we can start adding our items to our bug hotel. So with the bottle here, I'm going to start putting in my sticks that I found, and you're just going to fill the whole thing up with sticks and pine cones, and if you can fit some rocks in there and bigger sticks, and you can even use some toilet paper rolls if you have those lying around the house. Those will be great, but you're just going to want to fill this whole thing up. Now if you're going to use the milk jug, you're going to start layering from the bottom up. So you can put a few sticks in there. You might have to break them up to get them to fit inside. You can put rocks on the bottom first if you'd like, or maybe your pine cones in the middle there. I will show you in just a minute how you can layer those in there. But you're just gonna wanna fill this whole thing up so that the bugs can crawl in and make their homes. Once you're done filling up your bug hotels, if you are using the milk jug, then you're pretty much done. It has a nice handle for you to carry. You've packed it all nice and tight so that nothing's falling out. As you can see, I've stuffed some leaves in there. I've got my pine cone in there. Lots of little nooks and crannies for the bugs to crawl into to make a home. So if you've done the milk jug, you're pretty much done. You just go outside, stick it by a tree, or maybe hang it from the handle from a tree branch, and there you go. There's your bug hotel. Now, if you did the soda bottle, then your next step is to get a string, a piece of yarn, a piece of twine, whatever you have laying around the house that you can use to fish through the tube here, like I have done. And then you're going to tie it so that it is long enough for you to hang it. You can hang it on your porch if you've got one. You can hang it from a tree branch, or you can hang it from a post. Anything that you have around your home that you want your bug hotel to hang from. And it's got all these nice twigs, and I've got some rocks in there for the bugs to crawl in and make their home. Well, there you have it, guys. I gave you 2 examples of how to make bug hotels that you can do at home. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial, and I hope you do try this as well. Please have fun, and like and follow us on our YouTube channel and our Facebook page. We'll have lots more videos for you, and stay tuned to the end of this video for a secret code to add to your reading log. Bye!